We got the 2016 Challenger RT. This guy came through all the way from Texas. That's where he picked up the car. I guess inventory is kind of shitty down here in South Florida, but he drove it all the way from Texas, all the way over here. The car already had a mid-muffler delete. Let's take a look at what they do over here in Texas. They put 2-inch piping, and not bad welds though. I don't know how long ago they did that work, but what we did today was that rear muffler delete. So basically it's straight pipe, the caps are still on there. Where the car's on right now, you can hear that idle, nice and aggressive. Yeah, we're gonna bring it down and let you hear. We're also franchising. Remember, check the links in the description below.